At the first stage, if you look at the European Union, with 28 states, member states, and 28 operators, when we want to defend a position alone, we are nowhere. It is necessary to work together, to go together to the Commission, to defend our positions. And as the chairman said in the beginning of this dinner, unity is our strength, and that is very true. Now, on a wider basis, if you look at the totality of the membership of Post Europe, it's also true that we can influence the evolution of the industry in the European Postal Union by federating our point of views and trying to work together. Post Europe is a platform for exchange of best practices. And what you see, especially on the operational field, we have seen the most advanced operators sharing their expertise with the less advanced one, and it is really happening in this world of postal companies, that something that is quite unique to my view. I have some experience in the private sector before joining the postal sector. This exchange of information, of expertise, I've never seen in the private sector. This is unique to the postal industry. But for parcels, as we saw from the wishes of the Commission, wants to create one big parcels market throughout Europe, it is not going to happen if we do not create a seamless system between all operators. So the cooperation is absolutely essential for the survival of the industry. It's also happening thanks to Post Europe.